Put up in my gas, smarty get bunks. Don't feel safe if me not travel with my guns. So me don't go to party, me don't go to clubs. Watch your own, robbing ya, so them kill thugs.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So right now we're going to check out Masicka latest song that is supposed to be a diss song. And I mean a direct song to Alkaline. You know, we hope this is what this song is all about and not, you know, some other thing where we cannot say this is definitely for Alkaline, because, you know, dancehall fans, even Masicka genocide fans are saying that, you know, Masicka is afraid of Alkaline and we need the war. You know, Alkaline dropped his song, Keyman sending direct this at Masicka, letting Masicka know, say, yo, you're afraid of me, and we know, say, you're afraid of me, we're not up on the same level, this, that. You know, Vybz Kartel also preview a song and saying that he's the locksmith. A lot of people saying he, you know, Vybz Kartel is Alkaline. Now, Masicka is saying that he's no locksmith, he's no keyman, he's autocrat. Autocrat basically means someone with absolute power who governs an entire nation. So Masicka is saying that he governs dancehall. He's dancehall, you know what I mean? God, put it as that. You see me? So I'm excited to see what this song is all about, you know what I mean, and review the song in its entirety. So let's go.
But I'm rich now. P90 we fling up on your back. From a pint to turn me down on a gap. That's all. Chilling on the block. Make a bag of million never flop.
I believe Masicka shot this video in Tivoli, you know what I mean, and start off, you know, a lot of people like to say that Masicka has the same flow from white to mute to autocrat, right? But the thing is, the same flow is hitting and hitting and hitting, right? And a lot of artists cannot say that. Them cannot say that them create a flow where them have for themselves and them continue to drop hit song after hit song with the same flow. So big up to Masicka, him have the same flow, yes, but the same flow is hitting and hitting and hitting and keep people on them toes, even dancehall, you see me? So let's go.
That's that every day my fucking name hot. We again fan top of the combo. The killer rock chain like Django. Villain I place a condo. Fire on my palm like Shango.
Bob Buckley, the dog say, yo, him is the center of attention. Everybody is talking about him. You know what I mean? He's in every conversation, every convo, you know what I mean? And the dog say, yo, the flames in him hand, because remember say Masicka say same flame, you know. So the same flame, would that be the same flow? You get whites, you get mute, hits. You see me? Same flow, same flame. You see me? Yeah, man, but Hoofy! So Masicka say, yo, Hoofy rich like him. You know what I mean? And we also saw a post where Masicka said him shoot a lot of music video because him rich. So Masicka, you know, so far it's like a boasting song. I say, yo, me rich. How about that? Liverpool game soon. We're rich, you know, Premier League is back. Masicka say, yo, we're rich. Hoofy rich like we. Hoofy do it like we. You know what I mean? Pistol point. You see me? Gunshot point your head. Alright. So I'll know me cannot pinpoint or tell you as if you say, yo, yes, Masicka this Alkaline or whatever. Me not hear nothing all no. Which I'm already disappointed, right? I'm already disappointed. You can just call this a bad man song that is not directed at anybody. It's just a normal, but it's not a normal bad man song. It's just a good bad man song where him not really throw no shades at nobody, because me not hear no shades at even though him say man Vybz Kartel good, we not hear nothing at Vybz Kartel, we not hear nothing at Alkaline, we not hear nothing at nobody. Him not really talk about anything as it relates to what is happening in dancehall currently. You see me? We not hearing any of that, but the lyrics them tough. You know, we can always expect good lyrics from Masicka, but I'm just not hearing anything as it relates to Massacre saying, yo, he's the man and he might do it and, you know, Alkaline this or whatever the case is. So, but we could hear some more. Some bad lyrics, and I mean the dog say, yo, you might kick where am I gonna kick your head? It's like him in the Premier League when Rooney I run things him and Cristiano Ronaldo in 2008. You see me? Straight badness. Alright, so him go back in the so this is basically so you gotta call this the chorus. So him go back in a way him did say initially. You see me? So maybe there's gonna be like a second verse or something because the song the song about 5 minutes 30 seconds. We not reach nowhere yet. So maybe me I rush it. Make we see what I go on. Me just say I said you see me? Make we see what I go on. It's like a movie. One in the dark, some guy dark, I thought. Bad blood clot, youth, make it off, I'm on. Take it off from my belly, left off now, don't step off, nine light. The man start from. So Massacre say, yo, him at the talk of the town, he make it off him own. You know what I mean? As a young artist, underground artist, iron balloon artist, you know what I mean? Artist when nobody never did not look upon. Artists where artists will go after Idonia, artists will go after Khalid, Demarco, the whole of them people there, you know what I mean? And come up the ranks, and artists where even early in their career, same rate Alkaline and all these things, you know what I mean? The only people Massacre used to big up in the early days was Vybz Kartel, Bounty Killer, Idonia, and then him go against Idonia and then continue to big up Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer. You know what I mean? And him say him do all of that on him own. You know what I mean? Him go back to John Board and become the man who we know him is right now. You see me? Don't feel safe if me not travel with my guns. So me don't go to party, me don't go to clubs. Watch your own running, yeah, so them kill thugs from my gun. So Massacre basically I make you know say yo, him understand how the street works. You see me? Him understand say when thugs go party and are some loose movements that you can't catch him in a party, that's how them catch thugs. You see me? So him not go party, him not go in a club, him not do none of them thing there. You see me? Him rich and him now post. So him not here him not up on social media 24/7. You see me? But him active in real life. Him go places where him know him head back govern and you can't catch him off guard. You have to come catch him in yard like Tony Montana. You see me? I'm on a hillside cutting up dogs. Fucking boy, girl, and puffing up drugs. What them say them do again? Who them say them bust? Shop up with the tune, family, I do. Last us. Make it all the rap. Alright. So, Massacre take a aim at Madsus right here. When Massacre say, what them say them do again? Who them say them bust? Because remember, you know, Madsus went on Instagram Live and I believe TikTok Live and claimed that Vybz Kartel bust Massacre, you know, big. And I say, yo, who gave you the big song, Infrared, and, you know, all of these things. And Massacre say, yo, what them say them bust? You see me? So, that was like a dig, you could say, at Madsus or the whole, you know, thing we're surrounding Madsus. Now, we need to hear something about Alkaline, like, come on now. Me see a crocodile in a pool. Wonder if the dog actually get a crocodile and put a crocodile in a pool. So that means that anything will anything will go on up in place, in just throw you in a pool and the crocodile just near me, your body can't be found. You see me? Yeah, man. Feel like I place a condo. Shut up in the face, yeah, and go. Fire on my palm like Shango. Can't see me and faint time dancer. Nothing don't change, your name my topic. Mommy for me take a place like pocket. Me see the bag of pussy face, one stop it.
watch it push it play night traffic. And the man tough and I plan it along me.
Remember we mentioned Tony Montana and you know Ray. See the dog have Scarface in the video. The dog also have Sumfest in the video. The dog I say once him step into the business and once him reach to the top and shoot off like a rocket. Everybody just want to ups with him. Skeng want to in a rivalry with him. Skeng want to in a war with him. Alkaline want to in a war with him. So Masicka basically I say right now, where them did do him in the past are the same thing him a do them. You see me? Yeah man, so him a say score for him. Level ball game level.
Like panic, copy kill and run down, don't panic. Remember them boots who no pan panic. Watch it still, don't watch up a song and everyone it. Fucking fool, them me make the food and then me press. Disappear and reappear like magic. Shot me give boy, yeah me praise me give got it. When I love
But dog say touch the studio, voice a hit song, put it out, it hit, then vanish, reappear like magic. You see me? And then him give praises to the Lord. Me like that. He dog say him rich and him not talk and him rich and him not post him in the bagger. You know what I mean? Yeah, see him 24/7. No. Him company scene to come do the music and entertain and perform and give it the hits, video after video, hits after hits, and then just disappear upon you. You see me? And then reappear again when something else for go on.
close up the change, I'm a habit. Stuck in my ways, in my grades, me on it. Money every day, fucking every day like rabbit. Tell me booby, we happy. Louis V fabric. Come on, look through my closet. Full of shoes, full of shirt, full of pants, full of stunt. Pop, put the hands. Real steel, no go blanks like rubber rounds. So the key of them a play. Me name's
Masicka no easy, you know. Masicka no easy. You see what Masicka do? Masicka show you say him full of shoes. And him show you all him shoes. But that ain't no way I show you because nobody no need for hype up a shoes. Shoes is nothing. You see me? Masicka say him full of shoes, meaning him full a lot of machine. Ray. You see me? And then him show you glimpses of the 9 and glimpses of the rifles and things. So he dog say, yo, him have him all him have over a dozen. Him have over a dozen rifle and a dozen gun in him place. You see me? Well in the safe and well stock up on everything. So come try him. In a real life and you see what happen. You see me?
up on top of the Congo. We kill our rock chain like Django. Feel a night place at condo. Shut up in the face, yeah, and go.
Alright. Good song. Bad song. Beaver the first me I say Masicka drop a song with a 5-minute song like this one, and it's not about what you named it, like when him a talk about the whole story 1, 2, and 3, you know what I mean, with the youth them where friend them will kill each other and you know and stuff like that. And again, a lot of people anticipate this song. Dancehall fans, genocide fans, Vendetta fans that listen for Alkaline come Masicka come this Alkaline or something, but it not really happen. And again, people are gonna have it for say, yo, Masicka afraid and Masicka run. Who knows? But the song was a good song. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me, Owen Allen Media. I'm out.